Ironman 70.3 इव्हेंटाक लागून काय प्रमाणात कर वेवस्था जरी जाता तरी पर्यटन वाडपाक मजत जाता. आता मेरेन ह्या इव्हेंटाक लागून 68 देशाचे नागरिक गोंयांत पावले म्हूण मुख्यमंत्री उलयलो.
As all of you know, the state is known for the sun, sand and sea. And one more S which is added by the Ironman, which is in sports. So congratulations for the Ironman. This year almost more than the 33 countries is participating in this event. And now the Goa has known that globally in the last 5 years, more than the 68 countries participants have come specially for this event of the Ironman. Especially from the government of Goa, I thanks for the Ironman organizers. So as the Goa has known globally in almost in the 68 countries.
Qualifying for World Championships or just picking events like this that we really want to do. We've been all over the world, haven't we? It's part of what we love about it. Seeing new faces, meeting new people.
What's next for me? I don't know. Signed up to do a full in California next year because unfortunately my husband crashed this year, so we're going back to finish and yeah, I don't know. Maybe the World Championships, maybe not. I don't know.
Prudent खातीर सगुण गावडे.